Hey, what's up, Xiaomi fans? Today I'm diving into the Xiaomi 14, the latest flagship from our favorite tech wizards. Let's cut to the chase and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First off, let's talk about the display. The Xiaomi 14 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. That's roughly 17 centimeters for those who prefer metric. It's got a crisp resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, making it perfect for binge watching or gaming. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yep, you heard it right. This is Qualcomm's latest and greatest, ensuring blazing fast performance and efficiency. Paired with this, you've got options for 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. So, multitasking, no problem. Storage-wise, Xiaomi gives you choices too. You can snag the 128 GB, 256 GB, or even the massive 512 GB variant. Personally, more storage never hurts, right? Now, for the shutterbugs out there, the camera setup is pretty impressive. The primary camera is a whopping 108 megapixels. Yeah, you're definitely going to capture some stunning shots with this one. Plus, it's got a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens for those zoomed-in shots. The Xiaomi 14 comes in several sleek colors, black, white, and an eye-catching Aurora green. Personally, I'm digging that Aurora green. Battery life, this phone's packing a 5000 mAh battery, so it should easily get you through a full day of heavy use. And with 67W fast charging, you can juice up quickly when you're running low. Alright, let's talk price. The Xiaomi 14 starts at around $799 for the base model. Not too shabby for what you're getting. So, is the Xiaomi 14 worth it? If you're looking for a flagship phone with top-of-the-line specs, fantastic build quality, and a price that won't completely drain your wallet, then absolutely. This phone checks all the right boxes for me. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Catch you in the next one. This is TechDevil, signing off. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.